This is the Peer Clip Pro, an open style earbud that actually clip on your ear, which is, in my opinion, is one of the most comfortable earbuds I ever used. In this video, I'm gonna share and show you some valuable information about the Peer Clip Pro if you're looking to get this style of earbuds for you or for someone else. Hello and welcome to our channel. My name is Rodrigo and thank you so much for watching. Big thanks to SoundPEATS for sponsoring this video. Just to keep it real, all the opinions and thoughts I share are 100% mine and they had no influence on my review or conclusions. The Peer Clip Pro original price is $59.99, but you probably can get it with a huge discount. At the time that I record this video, I actually saw that was actually going for 50% off on the website, but if it's not that 50% anymore, I will leave in the description below the most updated prices as well. In the box, you get the Peer Clip Pro charging casing with the earbuds, a user guide, a stickers, and a warranty card with a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging the case. The color I got is like the midnight blue color, but they also have different colors as well. The material of the case is made by a gloss finish, but could leave some spots if you have like a greasy fingers if you touch it on it. But overall, looks premium for the price you pay for. The earbuds are built with a plastic and silicone exterior with a memory wire and is super comfortable and lightweight fit. Here's some quick info on the specs. Feel free to pause it and let's connect to the Peer Clip Pro. To connect it to your mobile or PC, just hold the button on the case with the earbuds inside and look for SoundPEATS Clip Pro, and that's it, super easy. On the PC or laptop, same way, just go to the Bluetooth settings on your PC and click connected and you're all set. With the multi-function connectivity, you can use your PC and your phone at the same time thanks to the Bluetooth 5.4 that the Peer Clip Pro also uses. So let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. If you're used to the traditional earbuds like this one that I'm showing you, you know that it sits right into your ear canal, giving you a solid sound isolation that actually you can hear a very deep bass feel when you listen to music or anything else. Now these, however, are open ear earbuds, so they don't go in your ear canal at all. That means that you will get more comfort and awareness of your surroundings at the cost of less audio insulation and clarity. Now these come with the 12mm drivers and I listen around 65 to 75% volume, which is plenty loud for me, but even in higher volumes there was no noticeable distortion. The SoundPEATS app also have your standard EQ settings where you can choose different music styles plus a dynamic equalizer. The dynamic EQ is pretty interesting because it can scan and customize how well can you hear and adjust to you. It's a really nice feature and I usually use to listen a rock EQ kind of style, and I turn on the dynamic EQ, which give me a sound a little bit more fuller and richer as well. I'm actually super impressed with the Peer Clip Pro. For the open ear style kind of buds, the bass is surprisingly good. Vocals come through clear and detailed, even in higher volumes, which is not always the case with this style of earbuds. Overall, they are well tuned for bass, mids, and highs, making them a great listening experience for any kind of content that you wanted to use for. Now, with these types of open earbuds, I was curious how the audio leakage was. In a very quiet room, yes, you can still hear a bit if someone is next to you or close, but if you are in a more outside like a park area, coffee shop, or inside a commute, this won't be an issue. This is kind of pretty normal on this kind of type of earbuds. Now if you want to use this for gaming on your mobile, I didn't see any latency or noise and feels pretty good and solid when you're using. One of the cool things that I would like to mention as well to the Peer Clip Pro earbuds is that it doesn't have any distinction between left and right when you're charging the case. When you place the earbuds randomly into the charging case, after 10 seconds, it will automatically recognize the left or the right earbuds. Also, if it happens to put in the wrong position, just flip it over and you're gonna see a light that is blinking white, meaning that you properly put the earbuds inside to be charged. Now talking about the comfort, as I mentioned, is so far one of the best comfort earbuds I have used. This new type, I wasn't sure since I thought maybe it will hurt with the time this part of my ears, but no, after using a couple of hours per day, I did not have any fatigue while wearing, which is really great. Also, because the shape of the earbuds is supposed to fit anyone since it will clip around your ears, so far the comfort, I really like it. Now the touch control is pretty responsive and have a functions like a one tap, double tap, and triple tap that you can configure in the way that you want on the app. Only issue that I have really, it was that sometimes you don't get the right response while you're wearing, you know, what, like typing if you wanted to double tap or actually the volume up and down, which for me was easier for me to do this on the Apple Watch or in my smartphone. So I think in this section SoundPEATS could definitely improve it. Now talking about the battery, these earbuds are rated for up to 6 hours on a single charge, with the case adding up to 24 hours total thanks to the 350 milliamps per hour battery. In my real world test, it listened to 60% volume around with the dynamic and rock EQs on the plus multi-point connection with my laptop and my cell phone. I got just over around 5 hours. Now when it's time to recharge, the fast charging feature is a lifesaver. A quick 10 minutes charge gives you almost 2 hours of playback. Plus you can use one earbud while the other is charged in case you want to stretch the battery life even further. Overall, solid performance. And let's not forget about also the Beats Clip Pro are IPX5 water resistance. In case you're going outside and rain a little bit and get a little bit wet, you'll be completely fine. So my final thoughts on this is, my opinion is a very solid open earbuds to have. I really like the sound quality, especially the comfort. I can see myself using at work on my laptop while being able to hear everyone around me to call for assistance. Or also riding a bike if I need to also know my surrounding, since it's super important to aware about everything else when you're doing that kind of sport. I also think if people have a those lifestyle, can definitely use this as well. So if you're interested to get one of those for yourself, we have a links on the description below with currently discounts, and for more reviews on techs and cool gears, click on those videos right here, and I'll see you on the next video.